Hey there, people. Well, we're going scrapping, but first thing, I'm gonna unload some of this stuff so we can get some more. Okay, let's get that unloaded. I'm starting a little mini hoard. The mini hoard. Yeah, there's just not enough to return to the scrapyard today, so let's go get some more and we'll do a scrap trip tomorrow. How do you get out of here? What a mess. I hate to be the person cutting through my yard at night. So much for the full tank of gas. Regular drive-by. Look at all the metal. Foosball. Desk, so I'll grab it. Holy crap, that was a long one. Oh, that blew. I guess I'll continue this video tomorrow.
Have temporarily closed the courthouse on Madison Island. Tonight we give you a full investigation. I was to fix the problems and subsequently complete next week, but until then, court proceedings will be held at the ALA town office.
Ow! You fucker!
Is he actually purring?
Down here.
He is too. Oh, she's got a hold of him, eh? Are you okay, JJ? Like, you hit your head pretty hard, buddy.
Well, I guess this is part 2 of my scrapping video. The weather's nice, beautiful. So So yeah, I'm gonna unload this little desk thing and we're gonna go scrapping again. Look at Cody got herself a new harness. Hey girly girl. She's enjoying the first snowfall. And we got our good luck charm coming with us today. Hey, Shelly?
Yeah, right. Every time I go with you, we never get anything.
It's because you're negative. Be positive.
Yes, we're gonna get lots of scrap today, and it's gonna be heavy shit, man.
We need it. So we get up hills here in northern Ontario.
I have a buddy with a plow pushes.
Hopefully we don't need it. Yeah, this is a hill on our street. Doesn't look that steep, but it's pretty steep. Okay, we'll take a run at it.
Dude, why didn't you come back and push us up?
We don't need a push. Good so far.
I guess I should have went around to the back, eh? Actually turn down that street.
As if the minivan couldn't make it up.
Yeah, well, there's something.
Yeah. Dishwasher. Okay, this time Shelly's getting out.
There's Marcel's little dishwasher, our first find.
Piece of copper.
Piece of copper.
Couple little pieces of copper. Well, Shelly, it's not looking too good, eh?
No. Dishwasher, that's what it.
Well, we got a couple more streets to do, so hopefully we hit a big jackpot.
So we know people don't want to put that shit in these.
Maybe, eh? What's that?
Garbage cans.
They got them pretty well organized. Well, we got a score on these last few streets, or we're done. Shelly.
Not my fault. I told you not to bring me.
Oh, shit happens. Where the hell are we? Yay for the one piece. But I guess so. Well, at least I got this stuff to bring back tomorrow. What a mess. I got lots of copper to strip. I should get on that. I'm forgetting something very important. Alright, let's go in for a beer or two. Check out what Paperweight Girl went and done. She got my ad thing laminated for me. Thanks, Paperweight Girl. I guess I'll have to put that on my YouTube wall, eh? Well, that was a pretty pitiful 2 days of scrapping. What can you do? Then we get all this snow. Very nice. Well, I guess we should have seen it coming, but whatever. And the roads, man, they were like, I must have blew at least 10 stop signs. Like, it was just crazy, especially going down a hill or whatever. It's scary at times, but need some weight in the back of my truck. The tires are awesome, but Just need more washers and dryers and shit back there. But anyway, well, thanks Paperweight Girl for doing the lamination thing. I really appreciate that. And I want to give a big thank you to MBYR31. Thanks for the shout out, buddy. I'm not famous, dude. I wish I was. Not really, but anyway. Cheers to you, Matt. Paperweight Girl. Well, thanks for watching, people. Cheers. Later.